Hello everyone, I am Aziz. I am from India, West Bengal, Birbhum. I am English teacher and I love English very much because English is an international language and also it's global language. That's why whenever you go and where you go, okay, that language helps you very much. It's help you to communicate with English persons or another language. That's why actually you can share your feelings. That's why English language is very important nowadays. Today I am here to share my another feelings of joy and a challenge that is 21 days. That this challenge to help me to develop my English fluency, and I believe that practice makes us always confident profit. Okay, that's why 21 challenge. I will upload 21 videos every day on YouTube channel because of I wanna share my feelings on YouTube channel just 21 days, and I wanna see at the end of video that how I develop my English spoken and English fluency. Today actually I wanna discuss about that importance of English language nowadays. Dear friends, English is a global language, it's okay, and English is the international language. You go where and there through the world, you can see that English language will help you in different places, different way. And I believe that English is very interesting language. When you can see that English movies, you can understand the feelings and can understand the concepts of everything, and you acquire the knowledge of English languages. So English is a very important. Okay.